Hello friends, this is Sunil Subramaniam here, Senior Research Analyst from Choice Equity Broking Private Limited, and today the commodities that I will be touching upon is majorly on the non-agro sector. Looking at the non-agro sector, the first commodity that I will touch upon is on gold, and gold prices has majorly witnessed a roller coaster ride during the last week. Moreover, majorly due to rising US dollar index and higher bond yields in the global markets. Looking ahead in this week, we are expecting that the MCX gold futures to remain sideways with a possibility of bearish trend, majorly due to rising US dollar index as well as the lower demand in the global markets. In addition to that, the ETF buyings and the American silver and gold coin sales are reported to be lower, which is another clear factor why MCX gold futures is expected to remain in the lower zone. Currently, it is trading at a very narrow range, which is around 44,500 levels to 45,250 levels. So this is a narrow range which was continued in the last week, and if it breaks below 44,500 levels, we can expect that the MCX gold futures to remain on the downside up to 43,800 levels. So overall, we are expecting a sideways to bearish trend in MCX gold futures in this week ahead. The second commodity that I will have to touch upon is on silver, and silver has shown a very drastic decline during this day, and it has almost fallen up to 2,000 rupees in MCX silver futures. This has majorly came after the lockdown situation in the European Union, especially the two major countries, that is Germany and France, which has brought in a stricter lockdown situation amid the rising COVID-19 cases. This has actually damaged the industrial demand in the global markets as well as in the European Union, which has brought a huge amount of pressure in MCX silver futures. So currently we are expecting that the MCX silver futures may even fall down further up to 64,500 levels, which is a clear indication that the prices, which is currently trading around 66,200 levels, may even fall down to up to 1,500 to 1,700 prices during the week ahead. So that is why we are expecting that the MCX silver futures to remain bearish in the week ahead. Moreover, the silver prices may not find major upside movement, as the IMF head Geeta Gopinath has also indicated that the US $1.9 trillion package, which was released by the US Democratic government, may not actually be a very extreme bullishness factor for the inflation and reviving the US economy in the longer duration, which will actually dampen the American silver coin sales demand in the coming weeks, though we are moving towards the spring season in the global markets and in the US season, which is another clear factor why the MCX silver prices is likely to remain bearish in the week ahead. Overall, I am expecting a bearish trend in MCX silver futures, and that is why we are expecting that the prices of MCX silver futures to remain bearish in the coming week. The third commodity that I will touch upon is on natural gas, and natural gas is also expected to be trading on the lower zone, probably up to 165 to 160 levels in the week ahead in MCX April futures. This is majorly due to the lower demand in the US market, as US is moving from the winter season to spring season. Since winter season has nearly ended, the usage for natural gas for heaters is declined, and the demand in the power sector is also expected to forecast to decline. So that is another clear factor why MCX natural gas futures is also expected to show a downside movement. Moreover, the demand in the residential sector and the commercial sector has not shown any major incline, as the US economy is still in the lockdown phase. And this will be still dampening the industrial demand in the US markets regarding the same. So overall, we are expecting a bearish trend in MCX natural gas futures, and prices are expected to move to 165 levels to 160 levels in the week ahead. The last commodity that I will touch upon is on crude oil, and similar to the earlier mentioned three commodities, the geopolitical factors and other factors, MCX crude oil futures is also expected to remain bearish in the week ahead. Though the OPEC has maintained the supply cuts in the global markets, however, the demand scenario is looking very bleak, especially for the week ahead after the reintroduction of the lockdown situation in the Western countries. Moreover, the American stockpile data and the US inventories on a week-on-week basis is showing an incline, which is another clear factor why the prices are expected to find further pressure, and hence we are expecting that the MCX crude futures to come down to 4,400 levels or maybe 40 4300 levels in the week ahead. Overall, I'm expecting a bearish trend in MCX crude futures, and we are expecting that the prices to come down to 4300 levels. Thank you, and I wish you all a very happy trading week.